What's up YouTube, Magnus here, back with another video for you guys. Today we're talking about the 100,000 subscriber giveaway. Who won, who didn't. Most likely you did not win, but there's a chance you did. That's pretty cool. And so we're going to go over that. I'm also going to talk about my Patreon a little bit because you guys aren't really utilizing it how you should be. So I released that Burka pattern recently, the Burka wallet. A whole bunch of people bought it. I really appreciate it. But it's a $10 pattern. If you were on my Patreon for $5 a month, you get all my patterns that I release that month. So my Patreon has a few different tiers, but the important tiers are $5 for art. All the art that I release during a month is $5. The same for patterns. The other option is $9, and that gives you both patterns and artwork, and also allows you to get access to resurrected patterns and artwork. So every month, I'll resurrect some patterns and artwork, maybe 2 of each, and those people that are paying the $9 fee get those as well. So, I don't know. It's a good idea. I think it's a good idea. One thing that every YouTuber talks about is the notification button and how important it is. 13% of you guys have the notification button selected on my channel, which is great. But if you don't have it selected, I just got to cross my fingers and hope you see the video. I've decided to take matters into my own hands, and I'm going to start putting coupon codes in my community hub. So if you have the notification button on, you'll get those codes and you can go use them on whatever the codes are for. It'll be random, and it might probably going to be once a week. I'll also put those codes on my Patreon for you guys if you're interested. Now, to what you've all been waiting for. A bunch of you skipped to the end. Totally fine. I've done that before in videos, but there's a whole bunch of information about getting deals and stuff from my patterns and artwork if you're interested in that further back. The way this is going to work is originally that was going to be first prize. No longer first prize. It's just going to be picked. I'm going to say the first place winner and go through the 6th. I'm picking 6 winners. There's no longer a specific designation for first prize. There's 6 winners. There's the first place winner. They can pick either they want this bag or the artwork, and we're gonna move through until somebody takes the bag. Maybe they'll take it first, maybe they'll take it last, whatever. First place is KalistaMoonWolf. Congratulations, Kalista. Second place is Hunter30394. I'm pretty sure that was an Instagram entry. Third place is Elyse Butler. 4th is Sean Brondstetter. 5th is Twaller33, and 6th is David Knie. So if you guys can get in touch with me, I'll put my email address somewhere here if I'm not lazy. Email me, and we can talk about what specifically you want out of the giveaway. So, yeah. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys found a little bit of that information at the beginning of the video useful. And until next time, keep on being creative in whatever it is you do.